The Philippines stand proudly as one of the most active countries in the Asia-Pacific Scouting movement. For generations, thousands of Filipino scouts across the country have lived the values of leadership, service, and brotherhood ever since the Scouting began in our nation. History remember the Philippines as the birthplace of the Asia-Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree. In December 28, 1973, to January 4, 1974, the first Asia-Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree was held at Mount Makiling, Los Baños, Laguna. The legacy continued in 1991, the 12th Jamboree. And again, in 2009 to 2010, the 26th Jamboree returning to the same historic ground. Decades passed, stories were told, and the scout spirit was carried forward by those who came before us. And now, Scouting comes home again. From December 14 to December 21, 2025, the Philippines proudly hosted the 33rd Asia-Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree at Camp Kainumayan, Botolan, Zambales.
Zambales, here we go! Kamusta? Welcome to the Philippines! Welcome to the Philippines! Welcome to the Philippines! Amra Bangladeshi! From Navy Council! From Ramon Magsaysay, Zambales Council! Tita Hines, Samar Delegation! Gikan sa Bohol Council! Kini ang Asia Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree! Welcome to the 33rd Asia Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree!
Thousands of scouts, many nations, one shared purpose. This time, we were not just hearing the story. We became part of Scouting history.
By the Boy Scout of the Philippines as Camp Chief of the 33rd Asia Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree, I hereby declare this Jamboree formally open.
Hello everyone! So, ayun, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Davao Airport. Then, hinintay na lang natin yung flight natin. Mga 7 PM yung flight namin. Galing dito sa Davao City Airport, papunta na ng Manila sa NAIA. So, possible mga 10 or 9:30 kami makakarating doon. Then, from Manila, diretso na ng Zambales. Mag-interview tayo ng mga scouts kung excited na ba sila sa 33rd Asia Pacific Jamboree.
I'm Scout Rizality Salimbangon II. Every day makinsaya po college.
I'm Scout Lawrence Azarganha from Notre Dame Rizal College.
Okay, so question lang, excited na ba kayo sa 33rd Asia Pacific Jamboree?
Yes, King.
So ano yung mga expectation nyo doon sa Zambales?
Ano?
Activities, sir. Mga bagong activities. Nga hindi makita sa Council Jamboree. Makita mo lang yun sa taas na yun, sir.
Okay. Subic.
Okay, mga side trip. So, thank you so much and good luck sa inyo.
Thank you, sir.
So greetings, I am Scott Mateo KLG Manuel from Cotabato Council, ULSUSM, from Kabakan. I'm really looking forward to the 33rd APRSJ because of the new souvenirs, the fact that I get to meet more people, like the grandson of Bidin Powell. I'm really excited to see him. And yeah, to get more experience. Also for advancement. Don't really have much merit badges, but I'm planning to get a lot in this Jamboree. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much and good luck sa job.
Salamat po.
Simon Padre Sibutuan from Pikit National High School.
Okay, so excited ka na ba sa 33rd Asia Pacific Jamboree?
Medyo lang.
Ayun.
Kinakabahan.
Ayun, so ano kayo yung nilulook forward mo sa Jamboree ngayong taon?
Wala naman masyado, pero ang gusto ko lang is makamit na magkaroon ng friend na taga-ibang bansa at makaswap ng knickers. Yan talaga yung pangarap at ginalook forward ko sa this APR ko.
Okay, so thank you so much and see you and good luck sa...
Thank you
Scout
po.
Gitinoy Atok, ESC Scout from Cotabato Council from University Laboratory School.
Okay, so question lang, excited ka na ba sa 33rd Asia Pacific Jamboree?
Of course naman po.
Okay, so ano yung nilulook forward mo sa Jamboree ngayong taon?
Since first time ko naman po ito no, na makapag-jamboree sa out of the province, I expect na magkaroon ng more experience na and more learnings about scouting, no, and I expect na magkaroon po ako ng mga bagong friends po and kamit po ng bagong tao. Yun lang po.
Okay, so thank you so much and good luck sa Jamboree.
Yes po.
The seat within the stall is to help. If you are stuck in the stall emergency exit, leave carefully across the line.
Touchdown, Manila! Hello everyone! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Naiya Airport. It's already 10 o'clock in the evening. So, ayun, hintayin na lang namin yung bus namin. Papunta na po na Zambales! Hello everyone! Let's go everyone! Good morning everyone! So, ayun, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Kainumayan Camp sa may Botolan, Zambales! So, we arrive here exactly 6 o'clock in the morning from Manila, diretso dito sa may Botolan. So, this is the view. And we're so excited for tomorrow's activity. And ayun, let's see kung ano yung mga ganap tomorrow morning or hanggang sa matapos ang event. So for now, mag-fetch muna kami ng mga tent namin. Ayan. Mag-fetch muna ng mga tent, then assignment kung saan yung mga area ng bawat isa. And maraming mga CR na naka-install. Then ang weather sakto lang, hindi naman siya masyadong, for now medyo malamig pa siya, pero I don't know kung mamayang tanghali kung ganito pa ba siya kalamig. Pero so far maraming mga punong, yung mga pine trees na kagaya sa Baguio City. Ayun, yun usually yung mga puno dito. So yan lang muna yung update natin for now. And see you again this afternoon kapag okay na yung area. Okay, bye! Good morning everyone. So today is our second day dito sa Zambales. And ayan, dito kami ngayon sa mga tent namin. Yan. So dito kami matutulog for 10 to 11 days. And ayun, by the way, hindi pa naman siya opening. Tomorrow is Sunday. Arrival pa lang ng mga delegates coming from other province and cities and countries. So dito sa camp namin, ang gagawin namin ngayon is gagawa kami ng mga yung koral. Gagawa kami ng mga decoration dito sa camp namin. And mamaya siguro is maglibot-libot lang sa area. So possible yun lang yung mga ganap namin for today. Day 2 ng dito namin dito sa Zambales. That's all muna for now, and see you again. Turn na lang sa kung ano man yung mga ganap natin. Bye! Kain. Naka-pack lunch lang yung pagkain namin dito. Kasi medyo mahirap magdala ng kitchen staff na magluto. So everyday naka-pack lunch from breakfast, lunch at saka Kayo na ang tore. O sabay-sabay yung paglagay sa butas ha. Sabay-sabay yung paglagay sa butas. May mag-alalay dyan sa unahan. Baka matumba.
Hop! Hop!
May mag-alalay sa unahan. Sabay-sabay. Tignan nyo kung straight. Straight kayo.
Okay kayo! Ano mong
Hala ka perfect.
So, nakabili kami ng t-shirt. It's World Scouting. And ganito yung design niya. For 700 pesos. So, mahal. So, another budol. SDG. And Messenger for Peace. Necker. Woo! Bukat. Keychain. Bili tayo ng keychain.
Ano yan,
Pang
Madya?
souvenir.
Brown? Akala?
Kasama si Jillian.
Unang araw pa
Wala na. Mahal na allowance.
Mahal na kayong...
Kaya pa, pila na ang nagastos. Pila na. Ala.
Salamat din sir, 2.5. Sa atin.
Are, 3,000.
Dili suruy.
Yung mga card.
1.8 sir, 1.8.
Are, 3,100. 3,500.
3-1 lang.
Lang!
Pangkwarta na ako dito.
Makapalit daw cellphone, ana.
Second day pa lang pero paubos na yung ano natin, budget natin. O si Mark. Mark.
Hi sir.
Pila naman na Mark.
Ay, ito sir.
Trade mo na Mark.
Yes sir, gipalit ko sir.
collection,
150 sir.
Wow, 150 pesos.
Merinda na ka, sir.
puno na
Sir, may dala
Sana merenda na ta.
Daw pagod man na
Sir,
sir.
wala na kayo pang merenda sir.
Sir, mga
Na, wala na yung pamerenda si Mark. Let's go. Dire tayo.
sir.
Ay, dili na tayo dira. So, marketplace. Wait lang. Sarado. Wrong way. Wrong way. Men. Ano sa inyo? Gapon?
Juice. Mo naman.
Ano flavor?
Lychee, lemonade.
Flavor.
Lemon sir.
Flavor.
Blue lemonade, sir. Hindi mo makal.
Ano man?
Enjoy.
Hello, Pam Philippines.
Yeah, from
Your Pam?
India.
India. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ano na din introduce?
Kini nga sa bagay, 26 days.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa ilog. So, ang gagawin namin, of course, is maliligo. So, ngayon.
Bato kayo.
Ngit-ngit, ngit-ngit.
Asal po rin sa bandera.
In this moment, forever be, in this moment.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
And so, meron silang ilog dito sa center ng area nila. And actually, maraming naliligo. Mga scouts.
Welcome to the Philippines!
Thank you so much!
Kamusta? Welcome to the Philippines! Kamusta? Welcome to the Philippines!
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And my scouts in my group. And then these two, my scout name's Prasa. Prasa means city. Yeah, like city. Because we based in the capital of Timor-Leste, Dili. And then my scout is based in community. So it's not based in school. It's in the community. They're the first scout that based in community in Timor-Leste. And their scout is based on in the school, university. And then both of them, their father is the director of the university. They own the university. A lot of money, yeah. They're afraid, so they say no, but actually, yes. Like you sold the scarf, they will sold with money.
Pulan, di ba?
Yes, of some of them.
Wow, you guys are so rich. No, I
Some
know.
of them they attend the Australian Jamboree last
They're
year.
not rich.
Some are still new.
Ingat pa sila mga bigyan. Yan, yan.
Happy birthday, sir!
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Eat dinner for second day. Second night. Day zero. Huh? First night? Ay, dili. Second night. Ulam is lumpia. Lumpia and gulay. Hello everyone! So, ayun, nandito tayo ngayon sa Municipal Hall ng Zambales. And, of
course, meron silang mga Christmas lights sa likod ng, or sa harapan ng munisipyo nila. Ayan. Napaka hello. Ayan, napaka feel mo na talaga yung Christmas dito sa bayan nila.